Use the leading coefficient test to determine the end behavior. On this problem here, very similar to what we saw earlier, you have the seventh power, which gives you an idea of how many times you should cross the x-axis. You would like seventh odd powers start low and then they go high. But because we have a negative coefficient, this graph is going to be flipped where that it starts high and then it finishes low. Okay? Because of the odd power, it'll start and stop at different places. If it was an even power, it would start and end at the same place. And that's if you have an even power. Okay? But we have an odd power here with 7, and because of the negative 7 that leads, this is our graph right here. This graph over here on the left is rising, and over here on the right, it's falling. So we want to rise left, fall right. Letter D. Solve the polynomial inequality, graph the solution. It was awfully sweet of them to go ahead and have this factored for us. So we're going to end up having x is equal to 10, 11, and 12. We have no domain concerns because it's a polynomial. If we were to FOIL it, we'd have a polynomial. And because we have this equal to sign, we know we have all closed circles. So there'd be no parentheses. And it looks like A is the choice, but I'm going to check a point. But 10 should be closed, 11 should be closed, and 12 should be closed. And if we could check one point, the rest of it would just be an alternating pattern. I'm going to check 0. 0 take away 10 is negative 10. Take away negative 11 is negative 11. 0 take away negative 12 is negative 12. We're multiplying 3 negative numbers together, so that's going to be a negative something. Greater than or equal to 0? No. So we will avoid this. We will shade here, avoid, and shade. And that is choice A. The following equation is given. List all rational solutions. So we'll take factors of the 75 and we'll divide it by factors of the lead, which is a 1. So factors of 75 will be plus minus 1, plus minus 2, nope, not 2, plus minus 3, plus minus 5, six won't go. How many times does 5 go? Plus minus 15, plus minus 25, and plus minus 75. Use synthetic division to test the possible in order to find one of these. So, which one? Let's go 5. One comes down. 5 and 1 make a 5. We'll add that together, we get 2. 5 and 2 make 10. We'll add that together, get negative 15. 5 and negative 15 is negative 75. Nice. So 5 is an answer. And then I have x squared plus 2x minus 15. And I can factor this. X plus 5. X minus 3. X plus 5 will give me a negative 5, and that'll give me 3. So my answers are the 5 that I started with, negative 5, and 3.